One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We just love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. As much as we think we're doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that push us harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. We want you to experience the best customer service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.